Welcome to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Big Boss CEO Uncle Daddy in the building. If you're looking for more authentic soul food and adult beverage recipes, do yourself and us a favor. First, smash that like button. Second, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a Caribbean favorite, Frozen Banana Daiquiris. All gas, no brakes, we going in. The ingredients for a Frozen Banana Daiquiri are only a few items. You need 1.5 to 2 ounces of either white rum or spice rum, whatever your preference is, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of either banana liqueur or banana puree. Of course, you need your ice, lime juice, and a banana. Okay, let's get this bad boy started. First, you need a whole banana. We're just going to put it in pieces to make it just a little bit easier. You need our white rum or spice rum, whatever your preference, 2 ounces. We have our 1 ounce of triple sec. Our 1 ounce of banana puree or banana liqueur. In this case, I'm using banana liqueur. You need your lime juice. And a generous amount of ice. Place on the top. Blend until smooth. Wow, that smells amazing. Of course, for your daiquiri or margarita, you gotta have your glass or cup rimmed with sugar or salt. In this case, my personal preference is sugar. This bad boy, oh man. Then you garnish it with the lime. And there you have it, a Frozen Banana Daiquiri. If you have any questions, any concerns, or any comments about this Frozen Banana Daiquiri recipe or any Uncle Daddy Soul Food recipe, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality studio equipment for your YouTube channel? Please use the links that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that sale if you make a purchase. I appreciate you hanging out with Uncle Daddy until the end of this video. If you're looking for more helpful soul food and adult beverage recipes, do us and you a favor. First, like the video. Second, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Soul Food, Big Boss CEO, Uncle Daddy. Until next video, deuces.